Hi, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a watermelon. Tasty watermelon. Let's look at the picture.
We can see whole watermelon, part of watermelon, seeds, flesh, rind, and skin, and watermelon shadow. Let's look at the picture one more time. Whole watermelon, part of watermelon, seeds, flesh, rind, skin, and watermelon shadow. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the part of watermelon. Choose spot on the paper you like. I will start over here on the right side of the paper and draw diagonal line.
Okay, I like your line.
Then we're gonna draw big U shape under this line. Repeat after me. U shape. Then let's draw another U shape inside and another one U shape.
Well done.
Then let's add some seeds inside the flesh. Then let's draw whole watermelon. I start over here and draw a big circle. And connect with the part of this watermelon over here.
Oh, you're super. I like your line.
Then let's draw the watermelon's tail. I start over here on the top of the watermelon. Draw a curve around, then draw another curve to the right and draw the same line and connect with the ends. Then let's draw the texture of the watermelon. I draw wavy line, then another wavy line near the first, then draw wavy lines around the watermelon tail. Then let's add over here wavy lines. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then draw an oval over here under the watermelon. I start over here on the bottom of the watermelon. Draw a line to the left, curve down, draw a horizontal line to the right, curve up and connect with the watermelon.
That's the way to go. You did it. I like your watermelon. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. I'll link in the description under the video. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
I choose dark green for this part of watermelon skin. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. Let's try to carefully trace along the pencil line and not go beyond the line. Try to carefully and accurately color inside watermelon. We trace around the edge again, trying not to go beyond the line. Try to color all the completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Then I choose light green for skin. Try to carefully and accurately color inside watermelon. Try to color all the completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Red for flesh, tracing, and coloring inside. Then I choose very light green and yellow for rind. And blue for shadow. You can choose any color you like.
Wow, what a tasty watermelon! I like your drawing! I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. See you! Bye bye!